Hello. Good morning.
Hello. Good morning to you, too.
Is this seat taken? Can I sit here?
No, it is not taken. Please, sit down.
Thank you very much. It is a beautiful morning, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sun is shining, and it is very peaceful.
By the way, my name is Joe. What is your name?
Nice to meet you, Joe. My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you too. Sir, are you waiting for the train?
Yes, I am. I take the train to work every day. Do you take the train often?
No, not really. I just moved to the city last week. I am still learning how to use the public transport.
Welcome to our city. Where did you live before moving here?
Thank you so much. I lived in a small town called Greenfield. It is very quiet there. Moving to a big city is a big change for me. Everything is so fast.
I can understand that. It can be difficult at first, but do not worry. You will get used to it soon. The city has a lot of great things to offer.
I hope so. What kind of work do you do, Sarah?
I am a graphic designer. I make designs for websites and magazines. How about you? What is your job?
That sounds like a very creative job. I am an English teacher. I teach English literature in a high school.
Oh, that is interesting. Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I love my work. I love helping students learn new things and read great books. Sometimes the students are noisy, but usually they are very good.
That is great. Teachers do a very important job. Oh, look. The train is finally arriving.
Excellent. I was worried I would be late for my first day of work.
It is your first day. Congratulations. Are you feeling nervous?
A little bit. Yes, meeting new people always makes me a little nervous, but I am also very excited.
You will do great, Joe. Just be yourself and smile.
Thank you. Sarah, you are very kind. After you, please, get on the train first.
Thank you. Let's sit over there, by the window.
Perfect. So, since you know the city well, do you know any good coffee shops near the city center? I love drinking coffee in the morning.
Yes, absolutely. I know a fantastic coffee shop. It is called the Daily Roast. It is just the streets away from the main train station. They have the best coffee and fresh bread in town.
That sounds wonderful. I will definitely go there tomorrow morning. Maybe I can buy you a cup of coffee sometime to say thank you for your help today.
That sounds lovely. I'm usually free on Friday afternoons. Would that work for you?
Friday afternoon is perfect. Let me give you my phone number. It is 555 1234. You can call me or send a text message.
Got it. Thank you, Joe. I will send you a text message later so you have my number. 2. Oh, this is my stop. I have to get off the train here.
It was a real pleasure meeting you, Sarah. Thank you for the nice conversation. Have a wonderful day at work.
It was a pleasure meeting you too. Joe, good luck on your first day at school. Have a great day. See you on Friday.
Thank you so much. See you on Friday. Goodbye.
Goodbye.